Hello everyone, welcome to Hastakala Live and this is our first podcast. इस podcast में हम बात करेंगे fashion tips for everyday confidence. They say simplicity is the ultimate sophistication, but fashion करना भी तो बहुत जरूरी है ना. ओके, फैशन और स्टाइलिंग में क्या डिफरेंस है? फैशन टिप्स आपको किस तरह से फॉलो करने हैं, ट्रेंड को किस तरह से फॉलो करना है, खुद का एक स्टाइल बनाना है. इस पर बातचीत करने के लिए हमारे साथ है दो बहुत ही खूबसूरत two beautiful ladies and also well-known personalities in their respective field. Miss Manjushri Patil, who is the director and founder of Atman Academy, and she is also a classical singer by profession. Today we have with us Dr. Supriya Deshmukh, who is a dermatologist and very well-known personality in her field. So hello Supriya and hello Manjushri. So first is जो मेरी मन में हमेशा से सवाल है, क्योंकि हम स्क्रीन पे जो देखते हैं उस फैशन को हम फॉलो करना चाहते हैं, हम ट्रेंड फॉलो करना चाहते हैं और इसके लिए हमारा वार्डरोब हमेशा भरा हुआ रहता है. आज ये ट्रेंड है, कल ये ट्रेंड है. बट हु डिसाइड्स व्हाट इज रॉन्ग एंड व्हाट इज राइट इन फैशन?
I think the fashion industry gives guidelines, but at the end of the day मैंने खुद decide करना है कि मैं किस चीज में सबसे ज्यादा कंफर्टेबल हूँ और किस चीज को पहन के मुझे सबसे ज्यादा अच्छा लगता है. मैं मैक्सिमम बेस्ट परफॉर्मेंस कर सकती हूँ किसी भी चीज में. मतलब आई कैन गिव माई बेस्ट इन द क्लोथिंग दैट आई एम वेयरिंग. सो आई गेस इट्स आई डिसाइड.
According to you?
Yes, I think individuality, yes, and second, what profession you are representing matters a lot. Tomorrow, if I am going to sit in my clinic wearing jeans and t-shirt, I'm sure my patients are not going to take me seriously at all. So it matters what your profession is, what your age is, and also what is your body type. I think these three things matter a lot when choosing an outfit. Trends come and go, but I think there are some very classic styles which always stay relevant. Evergreens.
वो कहते हैं ना, एक नूर आदमी 10 नूर कपड़ा. ये बहुत सही बात है. एक नूर आदमी 10 नूर कपड़ा, because सबसे पहला परिचय आपका, the first thing that people see and kind of feel comfortable with you is your clothing. So that decides the first starting point of your interaction or your relationship with a person.
Absolutely. But let me tell you, clothing is not only the fashion.
True that.
Yeah. True. Your personality, your skin, your hair, how you are carrying your clothing or your styling is also an important part in fashion. And as they say, fashion is a daily part of an air, like daily air. So fashion और confidence किस तरह से हम enhance करता है personality को, और किस तरह से ये
when we were discussing this and we was looking up a lot of things to prepare for today's sessions, I was reminded of my children, my students, when we are preparing for a particular annual function or for our programs, they are rehearsing, okay? You are Indra, you are Brahma, whatever. Okay? वो as against the final day, जब वो कॉस्ट्यूम चढ़ाते हैं, कृष्ण का कॉस्ट्यूम पहन लिया, गणपति बाबा का कॉस्ट्यूम पहन लिया, देवी सरस्वती का कॉस्ट्यूम पहन लिया, दरबान का कॉस्ट्यूम पहन लिया, वो कपड़े पहन के, मेकअप लगा के, मुकुट पहन के, उनके डायलॉग्स में इतना फर्क आ जाता है, because they're so confident, because they become the being. And that I realized is the value and the merit of my dressing up. Clothing bolo, makeup bolo, hairstyling bolo, footwear bolo. So that I realized is the connection between clothing and confidence.
Right. Yes, I also feel like there are particular days when I am very tired, or I just go to my clinic. I'm probably wearing something very simple, but I just want to get into the zone of my work. So I always have I have my coat ready with me. So the moment I don my coat, and I suddenly feel at home, and then I start my work. So yes, I totally agree that sometimes clothes put you in a mood. Sometimes you need the clothes to just start performing that role that you're performing for that moment. So in our everyday life, when you're at home, you're in your normal pajamas and kurtis, and you just sort of then become relaxed and comfy. The moment you're at work, you have your coat, your lab coat. Sometimes I wear a blazer. Sometimes I'm just wearing scrubs. But that works for me, for my setup. And if I'm out in a conference, if I'm out somewhere, then yeah, a beautiful sari or some beautiful, a salwar kameez puts me in that mode of representing me in some conference or something. I think clothes make a big difference to confidence.
And I think all of us had the experience of the lockdown. You know how it was? We used to be in all these shabby clothes. Suddenly Zoom पे अभी ट्रेनिंग करना है, वर्कशॉप करना है, आज एक मीटिंग है, चलो जल्दी से ऊपर से नीचे पजामा ही पहने, लेकिन ऊपर से कुर्ता पहनो, थोड़ा सा लिपस्टिक लगा के वो स्क्रीन के सामने बैठ जाओ, and suddenly it used to make you feel अरे हाँ, I am a professional, I haven't forgotten, बहुत दिनों से कुछ किया नहीं होगा बाहर जाके, लेकिन साड़ी भी यहाँ तक ही पहनती थी मैं कभी यहाँ तो जस्ट पल्लू दिख गया, नेकलेस इयररिंग्स दिख गए, बहुत हो गया, तो बाकी देखने को है कौन. But it used to change the entire inner confidence कि इतने दिन से बर्तन मांज रहे हैं, ये कर रहे हैं, वो कर रहे हैं कोविड में, और यहाँ पे बैठ के you wear something nice, you felt good also.
राइट. जब आप कुछ अच्छा स्टाइलिंग करते हैं, खुद को चेंज करते हैं, तो आपके कॉन्फिडेंस में वो कॉन्फिडेंस बूस्ट अप होता है. बट सिंस यू आर इन अ मेडिकल फील्ड एंड आल्सो ब्यूटी फील्ड आल्सो.
Yes.
सो ओवर ड्रेस करना भी कितना कभी-कभी हानिकारक हो सकता है.
Yeah, absolutely. So, if I go to a salon and you know how the salon people will push you, do this highlight, do that highlight.
Yeah.
So I say, no, if I have to go for a highlight, it has to be very subtle.
Oh.
I said, would you go to a doctor who's sitting on a chair with red color hair? Would you take the doctor seriously, really? So then they get the answer.
Oh.
So when I'm sitting in that chair, I have to look neat and tidy. I cannot look shabby. I cannot look as if I've not combed my hair. I have to look clean. I have to look properly dressed. I can't be under, not overdressed.
Yes.
I like to keep myself very bare when I'm in my clinic. I don't put any makeup on. I'm just putting my moisturizer on because I want to see people, the real me, because that's how I am every day, and that's like how my skin is, or how they can work on their skin to look real every day.
Right.
So it need not be all decked up. If you have a clean, even skin, it looks beautiful. That's the message I try to put out. So that's what governs my dressing in my own clinic.
Okay.
So I like to keep it nice, a tidy, clean outfit, not over the top, and complete bare bone skin.
Yeah, I mean, this is what she said is so right. When it comes to, I mostly prefer wearing a lot of saris, and when it comes to me, stitching my blouses, I have to go to my boutique lady and I have to tell her, look, don't give me such deep back blouses. I have to be mindful of the fact that I turned my back, I'm writing on the board, or I'm conducting a training, I'm moving all around. I'm just, there are 120 people who I'm conducting a training for. I'm singing songs, I'm jumping. I can't have things being seen from here and there. That consciousness has to be there.
The comfort is the first key.
Yes.
That's it for today, but I hope you liked it. Fashion और styling में क्या difference है? आप किस तरह से आपकी personality को, आपके खुद को आप fashion और styling से change कर सकते हैं, boost up कर सकते हैं, आपका confidence बढ़ा सकते हैं. इस पर बहुत सारी बातचीत करेंगे, बहुत सारी चर्चा करेंगे, और इसके लिए आपको देखना पड़ेगा हमारा next video. आपके मन में अगर कोई questions है related to fashion, related to styling, तो जरूर comment section में आपके comments जरूर बताइए, आपके questions जरूर बताइए. See you in the next video. Stay tuned and do not forget to like, share and subscribe our channel.